This video is about the popular Instagram influencer Augusta and her lover Benjamin. According to the story, the two lovers had a quarrel which escalated into a fight, and Augusta, the victim, was stabbed in the process. It was learned on July 11, 2023 that Augusta called her mother and told her about the quarrel she had with her boyfriend Benjamin. Unfortunately, all efforts by her mother to reconcile them failed. However, trouble started when her mother tried reaching her or her boyfriend, but all to no avail. She later contacted Augusta's roommate, which leads her to the boyfriend's house. On reaching the boyfriend's house, Augusta's Mercedes-Benz was parked outside the apartment, but the apartment was locked, which detective forced to open and discover Augusta's lifeless body and some of her body parts chopped off. And despite its decomposing state, marks of violence and struggle were detected on the body, which was deposited in the mortuary for preservation and for further investigations. Meanwhile, the so-called boyfriend Benjamin was nowhere to be found and has been updating in his Instagram page, stating that he stabbed his girlfriend Augusta but didn't kill her, yet refused to report himself to the police. I will be updating you people as the story unfolds because police are still doing investigations.